Why did people long ago build a giant cat with a human face in the desert? Imagine a big sandbox where people wanted to make the coolest sandcastle ever. They used rocks instead of sand and made it super big to show how strong and smart they were. They thought it would protect their land. But here's the twist. Some say it was built by aliens who loved cats. So, next time you build a sandcastle, remember the giant cat in the desert. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.